possibly have a little bit of fun. Ooh, about like that. What do you guys think? That's just too much noise. Getting teased and taunted. Good morning. All right. I think it's time. Spring right around the corner. And I told the kids I was going to pick them up in the Charger in the afternoon. So, let's go ahead and set you guys up here. Do a little fast forward. Do the process of kind of digging it out. Spider webs on her. She's been sitting for a little bit. Looks like we could put some lug nuts on it first. There's the big chugga. That'll work. Let's see if we can get this thing down. All right. This is it's a family muscle car. They did not spare any room on that trunk. You guys afraid of spiders? I'm not afraid of spiders. Okay, let's make sure there's no spiders in here. Hey, look, a key. What's this button do? Okay. They're getting 20 miles to the gallon. Let's open the garage. Well, guys, it's alive. I know this doesn't mean much, but I honestly parked this thing. Shoot, man, when did I park this thing? Holy cow. I parked this thing heading into the winter. I bought a bunch of parts for it, and I'll be honest with you. You know, spring's already here, and I haven't installed the parts on this thing yet. None of them. So we're gonna do a little shakedown, get some dirt, dust off of it, make the kids happy. I did, like I said, you know how they are. I'm a car person, so they feed off that. That's what kids do. So we can at least pull it out and let it warm up out by the road. You know what we should do, actually? Watch me putting these darn car seats. Watch this. Man, I love car seats. That's not good, guys. Let me grab you. You can't see through the back window because it's tinted. So I gotta kind of put you in the back window. This is gross. This is gross. Can you guys see that? You guys see that right there? That's mouse droppings. That is mouse droppings. This job just got harder. I'm not leaving that in there. I gotta shop vac. Confession time. Ladies, listen. I love this vacuum, this shop vac, okay? This is a present from the old lady on a birthday of some sort, okay? Hang in here with me, most explanation. This thing is phenomenal. And you know, it's a big gift to men to do something like this. We can keep things clean. And that's the deal, is ultimately I actually think that she got this for me so I could keep her vehicles clean. Hey, but you know what? That's why I got her a scrubber for the bathtub, right guys? Love this thing. Home Depot mid-grade, not even the highest level. Works good. Thinking to myself again, I felt a little bit of cold draft, you know, around my backside area there just now when I was getting that spot. Might have to charge extra for all that skin. You can't be showing that stuff off for free, huh? Damn. Who does that kind of stuff? Heck yeah, just charger life, bro. I need to get this thing washed. You know what it looks like? Average. Totally unacceptable. Kids will be happy to see the charger. They're constantly trying to get me to go fast in the old Grand Cherokee, and I just so hard on that thing. It's such a fat beast and kind of an older, worn out, hot rodded 4.7 under the hood. I mostly feel like I'm trying to keep running at this point. I'm trying to think what I can prepare you guys for. That's what I'm saying about vlogging every day. I literally can't even guarantee that I'm gonna get to work on cars every day to every other day. So vlogging becomes difficult as well. So just picked up the kids and they were super excited to be in the charger. And they're still trying to chit chat with the camera because they know that it's voice commanded. Tell them how your day was.
Good.
Whoop.
Blow people's doors off.
Bubba says blow people's doors off, huh? What do you guys want to go do?
Play outside with our shoes off.
Play outside with your shoes off? There
Yeah,
you
I'm
go.
gonna climb up the slide. Yeah, go faster. More.
More fast? Well, we can't speed. I don't think we're home. Tickle, 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 tickle. Go fast. So I can edit.
Don't hit the mirror on that
Camper.
on that camper.
That's right. You're a smart little boy.
GoPro fracture. I want to turn it off.
And you say GoPro stop camper.
GoPro capture.
Without giggling. It don't understand giggles. You just gotta say it. Try again.
GoPro capture.
GoPro stop capture.
That's good.
Okay, and give us a like. We're not even gonna,
What?
if you liked it
Yeah.
or not.
No.
No, just click like and woo, boost us till our next video. All right, see you then.
Love you. Bye.
GoPro stop capture. GoPro stop capture. Bitch.
In conclusion, children. In conclusion, children.
All right, you
But
guys.
anyway, I
fix
showed
that.
you how to do it.
Okay, yep. Not the way you were flattening
was I
the
supposed to be
the-
watching?